is up, Bella Gang? It's your girl Bella, of course, and welcome back to my channel. And as you already see by the title, you already read it, so why you clicked on it, I'm going to be doing my little Ratchet skin routine. Because lately, bitch, my skin has just been going through the works. Not only my skin, my hair, everything. Like, everything has just been going through it. And that's just because lately I have not had time to really take care of my skin the way I want to. Honestly, because of work and just a lot of things that's going on within my life. So today I just decided to come on here and not be dressed up, not be, in my regular ponytail, regular shit, a little shirt, and just come on here and do this and show y'all what I do to regain the glow in my skin like it normally has. But before we do any of that, before we even get into this Ratchet skin routine, before we even do anything else, I need y'all to stop what you're doing. Let me know you ready by hitting that like button. Let me know you did hit that like button by hitting that subscribe button so I know you hit that like button. You feel me? And then once you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell next to it because clearly you're going to come back and watch. So, what you waiting for? And without further ado, let's get on to today's video. I love y'all. See y'all later. So the first product I'm going to be using is this detoxifying peel off mask. So I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to apply that to my face. So let's just see. Oh, wait. I got to open it because it's new. It's new. Like, it's not old. It's new. So I think it's like the black mask that everybody was doing a little while ago. But I'm going to just do it now because I don't be following all the trends. I'm my own self. So what I'm do is just
open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN and take the high road and hop in. Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
the reason I got on the scarf because my hair has been like acting really crazy and really funny. And for some reason or another, my hair on this side has been falling out really bad. So I don't understand on my edges, and I don't understand because this side is fine. It's just that side, it really has been like being bad. Like, I don't know. And I did everything. I'm doing everything right. I'm using a proper oil. And then how it had, like, how I noticed it was I got a heat rash in my head, like around my hairline. And I think that's quite enough. Let me just put a little bit more at the bottom. Yeah, I got a heat rash to begin with. I got a heat rash, and then I realized once I went to go treat my heat rash that my hair on this side of my head was like around my edges, it was falling out. So I'm like, why the hell is my shit falling out? Like, I didn't understand. Like, I have really, really good hair, so I don't understand why it was falling out. Look at my hands. And I don't know. So if you guys have any comments, thoughts, opinions about what I should do or know anything, let me know, because I am stressed. But what I am going to do is let this settle and dry, and then I'll be back because it's getting hard for me to talk. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. Barely could talk, but I'm going to get this thing off my face. Let's start peeling this shit.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Oh man. Ooh, people did this for fun? Oh. Absolutely not.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
That's the finished, hold on. That's the finished product. I'm gonna get the rest of it off in a minute. But now I'm gonna use these micellar water cleansing wipes. Really good, really great. It's brand new. So I'm gonna open it. We're gonna open it. We're gonna grab one. We're gonna take it and we're just gonna wipe.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that high road and hop in. Open up, open, open.
Sorry, this video was like everywhere, but. So I used that, the mask. It was good. I used my wipes. Now I'm going to use some micellar water. This brand, everything is new. So, uh-oh. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to use some micellar water on my skin just to hydrate it. I like to use the wipe as well. And pour it on there and just rinse my face because it's extremely good.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
Ponytailing. Oh yeah, like I was saying, you see my hair, guys? I don't know. It's coming. It's not doing to it. So like I said, if you have any suggestions for me, please let me know because my poor hair needs some help. This is, hold on, because it got the price all on it. Barely could freaking see the shit. This is the Refreshing Face Mist. And it's cucumber water. It smells great. It's organic. It just neutralizes your skin. Sorry, got the price on it, but this is the bottle. Got it from TJ Maxx.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
Then I have, this is called Rose. It's a nourishing oil that regulates skin and restores skin moisture. It's formulated and it's lightweight. It's not greasy. Oil to help restore skin's natural healthy glow and soothes out appearances of dry skin. So this is what it looks like. Yep. And it has like little flower trees in it. And it's really freaking good. And all you gotta do, excuse me, all you have to do is just take a drop, as I'm doing. Take a drop. And I'm gonna use this mirror because it's closer. And just drop it on your skin.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
I'm gonna go fix my hair so I can look a little bit more decent for y'all, cause like I know y'all like bitch. Get it the fuck together. Period. So that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go get it together for y'all real quick.
I'm not gonna put no makeup on. I'm not doing none of that, sweetie. I'm not, because I'm in the house. There's no reason for me to be doing all that. I'm just gonna brush my hair up so it looks good for y'all. And we're gonna close out this video.
And that's gonna be on that. Period. Hold on, be back. Alright, so I'm back. Looking a little bit better for y'all, cause my hair was looking crazy. Kinda laid my edges down a little bit.
I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. Like, I hope you enjoyed it. This is my little Ratchet skin routine. Like, I know this video was all over the place, and I'm gonna get it together. I'm going to get it together. Trust me. I'm gonna get it together. Just keep rocking with me, keep sticking with me, keep watching my videos, keep sharing it, keep liking, keep all of that, because I really do, really from the bottom of my heart, appreciate all 132 of y'all. Y'all the best. Y'all the biggest army on YouTube. I don't care what nobody says. Y'all the biggest army out here. Period. We are the Bella gang, and we're not going nowhere. We're here to stay, and that's on. Period. Say it with me. Period.